We're going to Portland, Oregon to go foiling in one of the world's most iconic foiling locations, Hood River. So now comes the fun part. We get to pack our entire lives into one 32-kilogram bag to try and save money. I'm sure if you're an adventurer of any kind, you know the feeling of trying to pack all of your gear for one trip. You don't get to bring all of your gear, you have to try and fit it into one bag. Otherwise, it's just chaos. Anyway, I'm going to show you exactly what I bring and exactly how I pack it right now. This is my beautiful girl. I'm very protective of her, so we put her in 3 board bags just to keep her safe. And even that sometimes doesn't do the trick, but we'll see how we go. Bung out, always. And I like to tape it to my board so that I don't forget to put it back in, because that's a disaster. So what we're gonna do to keep her safe is we're gonna, I have 3 Larry foiler bags. Larry does a great job. So first, we're gonna put her in her sock. The reason I bring one downwind board, this is the only board I'm bringing, is because I can do everything on it. I can parawing, I can wing, and I can downwind, all in my 8-foot by 16.5-inch wide weapon. So highly recommend a downwind board as your one board quiver if you're traveling, because it saves a lot. We've got her socked up. After the sock, I put her in the adventure downwind bag. It's a very creative name, Larry. For another protection, zip it up. And we just put everything else around and in that. I will show you how. I'm actually also gonna lay a yoga mat on top because I want a yoga mat over there and it's extra protection. In other terms of packing, I've also got my Vycobi because we're all about protection here. EPIRB, bladder. I just take it with me on every run because safety and all that. Anyway, this is the new V4 version. It's really quite nice, my first time using it, so keen for that. Whilst we're on the form of safety, I've also got my helmet, which I've had for years, from Ensis. Really good helmets. Brain bucket, and then, this is one of my favourite things as a content creator. Got the Aquatech housing, which I put my phone in for any downwind runs or anytime I want to film on the water, and I attach that to my vest. In terms of foils, I got a brand spanking new Code Foils 75 mast, which will be coming with. I did 75 because that's my most kind of universal. It's been helping me paddle up because I'm still sort of beginning there. But I have heard that 80 is good to have in Hood River, so don't know if I'll be compromising there, but that's fine. And then, where's my paddle? Obviously, the beautiful Code paddle bag. Now I'm a bit of a freak, so I've actually got 2 paddles because I tend to damage them. So there's another paddle in there. Both paddles will be coming. This is where things get tricky. In terms of foils, I want to bring everything, but I've got the 1130, 980 Code. Adam and I are going together, so we're actually going to share. So we're going to try and bring the 1130, the 980, the 850 and the 720. 4 foils, a couple tails, all of the tail range, a couple fuses. Adam's already packed them, but for this trip we'll be bringing 2 parawings that we can share, the Flow 3 meter and 4.2, and I will not be bringing a wing. Surprise. I love my winging, but I really want to focus on downwinding. So wing is staying behind, which makes it quite simple actually. Spring suit, let's go get that. Bright red spring suit from Naluka, because why not be bold? Shocked underwater headphones. If I was gonna advocate for anything, it would be these. So much fun to listen to music while you're out there, and these are bone conducting, so you can still hear other people around you. You're not completely in your own little world. Now this is a luxury, but I will be bringing my quiver of sody because this is what I use for every single hydration thing I need. I put these in my hydration pack when we go downwinding because it replenishes your magnesium, your salts, etc., electrolytes, all that good stuff. You saw it here first. This is a empty neck pillow, so you can fill it with clothes and then you can wear it around your neck while you're on the plane, and you get extra room everywhere. Like you could fit like 1 to 2 kilos of clothes in there. So I like to save space in any way I can, and I will be doing that. Adam found that, and I think it's genius. And then everything else, my camera gear, my GoPro, all of that sort of stuff just goes in my carry-on and toiletries. So I made it sound a lot easier than it actually is. The fun part is then lugging all of this crap through the airports. So I'll show you the final product before we go.